The 2013 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, Bose sound system, running boards, power driver seat, OnStar, dual airbags, power steering, auto express down window, front air conditioning, adjustable headrests. Come see the car for yourself.